Alright, finally gonna get started today. Had to move trailers a little bit, hook up the one, pull this deck over forwards to get it out of my way so I can actually start on maybe cleaning this up, get this fabric out, get some of this dirt out of here so I can get it back to where it belongs and what it's supposed to be. And honestly, this right here looks like a good spot to set you guys up, maybe. I know it's amazing. It doesn't look like much when it's on the ground, but it sure looks like an awful lot, and I can tell it's back there when it's in the trailer. So I might have to pull up a little bit, let that dump out. I know where else to put you guys. I'll get back with you here in a minute. Alright, made it back with that one. Let's see if I can get the rest of this corner cleaned out right here. Pull back, and I'll get rid of this load. Hopefully y'all don't get rained on too bad. It's starting to sprinkle, so we'll see.
gloves and I'm going to grab a hold of it, pull some of it back.
Can you get my gloves too?
Sure.
So I can help you?
Sure.
You might need a little bit of help too.
I need lots of help.
Get mine.
I need lots of help. You're trying to save this fabric. Get it.
got the majority of that cleaned out of there. Now hopefully it'll dry out. Try to pull this fabric out, get these boards off of here, and get all this out of here and redo it again. Get it smoothed up, leveled out. Then I can square up again for the garage. I'll pull them boards out of there and get all that dug out, but it'll probably just level out right in here. I'll take that load over and dump it, and then probably turn around and start digging off the other corner back there. So I will see what we can do, and we'll go dump that load of dirt. We'll be back in a little bit. Alright, I didn't do the first bucket or load I moved, but got this one over here. I got to go rake out some of that dirt out of the dump trailer. It was so wet it's sticking. We'll put it back here with this pile. Trying to find space for this stuff. I got more to come. I guess I might as well video this. I think I have a bad wire connector on the battery tractor, so I got it off and I'm cleaning it. Let's see if that helps it start.
Now the tractor's not working since he had problems. I don't know why. I don't know why. Your tractor stopped working. Mommy's got the tractor flipped over and the no, it didn't. The daddy wasn't working, so, and we've got the south side over here, and I don't know why, because we need a south side over here, because we got some problems with that done by your tractor, and it's not working, and I don't know how to stop working.
Hey bud, will you hand me one of them brushes off the back of the tractor? Or the, oh, never mind, I got one right here.
Oh. Get up and get. Daddy said, can you give me one of those brushes? And I said, oh no. He has one of those over there, so I don't know how it got. So we got the same side over here and trying to work on the tractor. Dad's trying to work on the tractor and it stopped working. I don't know.
So did you tell them how good of a job I did?
No.
What? Ooh, how come?
And because the daddy's job is good. He feel like some money. I told him.
Oh.
That is
Alright, we'll go load up another load of dirt. I ain't gonna lie, getting kind of bored of it, but I gotta get this out of here. I'm never gonna get this done. So, I'm gonna at least do one more load today. And then we'll see where that gets us. Probably not near far enough, but...
Yeah.
Alright. Battery's about dead on this. I think we're going to call it for today. I'm going to push this pile up, put the tractor back, truck back, and maybe see if he'll go ride his bike for just a little bit tonight before it does rain anymore. So I will catch you guys on the next one.
Thanks for watching that video. If you do like and subscribe.